Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. And today I am accomplishing my third video to share with you the new summer products. And as promised, I am going to share with you our new gel cream blushes. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about each one of these. They have hyaluronic acid in it, which is going to help you give that youthful, dewy glow. And another little tip about these as well is if you have any fine lines and wrinkles on your face, sometimes using a gel cheek blush is going to help fill them in and smooth them out a little bit more than a powder does. But you can also use it together with our chromafusion blush and do that as well. So what I'm going to do first is swatch each one of these for you so you can see the color on my arm. And this is one I had already opened, but I'm going to show you for the one that I haven't opened yet. And this is in the blushing pink. You just screw the top off. I want to show you how they come. And see how there's a little foil seal on there? It's super easy. You just flip the little piece up there and it comes off very, very simply. You just peel that off and throw that away. And then there's just a little spot right there. So one of the things I want to let you know about these is they can come out kind of fast. So just carefully squeeze. So you only want to have a little bit out. And I'm going to show you the first blushing pink here on my arm and how it looks. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. That's a nice light color. So that is our first one. And then the other ones I've already opened. So I'm going to go back to this one. And this is the Simply Rosy. And again, I'll show you how that comes out. And as you see, that came out a little bit quicker. And then just rub that in there. I have nice pale skin for giving you an idea of how this is going to look. But don't worry, there's a lot you can do with these. As far as toning them down, they are also buildable if you want to have more pigment in them. And then this one is going to be our Berry Happy color. It's also a beautiful color. And then a little bit on here. Watch with my luck, I'll put too much on. And this one is, there we go. Put a little bit there. It's a nice color. And then the next one is going to be the Dewy Peach color. Now I say they usually come out too fast. I didn't want to squeeze it too much so it comes out. So there is the beautiful Dewy Peach as well. You can see all those colors. So the neat thing about these is not only do they make great cheek blushes, but I am going to do a look today that is going to be with the blushing pink. And I wanted to show you how you're going to want to put these on. So the best thing to do is probably to just put a little bit on your hand, like so. You see how that squirts out. And then I'm going to show you how you're going to want to apply it to your cheeks. Now, I have foundation on, but I don't have anything on my cheeks at this time. So just spread it out a little bit. Take a couple little marks like that. And you're just going to dot it on your cheekbone on each side. And then gently blend that in with your blending brush. You could also use your fingers, and I'll show you that on the other side. I've just always preferred the brush because it seems to get everything right where I like it to be. And you see that puts like a nice little glow on your cheeks there. And you could take a powder brush and go back over that if it's too much for you. So then on the other side, I'll just show you, you can also blend it with your fingers and you just pat it in. And it's not a real big difference. I mean, both ways are great. You could also use your blending, your blender. Why can't I think of the name of that right off the top of my head? The little blender sponge, that's what it is. You put that in there as well. So you could just see the difference of doing it with your hands and doing it with the brush on the other side. It just gives a nice little color to your day. So the other thing I want to show you using the same color is you can also use it as an eyeshadow to enhance your eyes a little bit. So I didn't bring my small mirror in with me, so I'm just going to try to do it on the camera mirror a little bit, and just do a little emphasis on the side so you can see it. One of the most important things that I need to stress is if you were going to use this on your eyes, and I'm also going to show you you can use them on your lips as well, please do remember to use a separate brush for each thing so you don't cross-contaminate. So next we're just going to take a little bit, and as you see, a little squirt goes a really long way. And actually I do have a mirror over here. We will grab this one real quick just so I can show you a little enhancement on the side. And it's such a nice, soft, dewy glow. Can you see how that just adds a little bit of sparkle and shine over to the side? And you can actually line your entire lid with it if you want to do that as well. So just take a little bit more off your hand. And again, go on the other side and just add a little enhancement into your eyeshadows. Or like I said, it's really pretty to wear by itself. You can also use a highlighter with it and so forth. And it just adds a little extra pop of color. So that is another thing you can do with it, which if you want me to, I know you would like me to do more videos, I can do more with different eye colors and shades and all with the other ones. The other thing that you can do is mix and match the colors together to create new colors, so they really work well. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you how you can use it on your lips. And again, this is a different brush. This one is my cream color brush. So I'm going to use this. So I already have rosewood on my lips right now. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this to go over top, which actually, and it just helps make a little bit more of a mauve look. But again, you can also use this by itself as a lipstick, as an eyeshadow, as a cheek blush. I picked the lightest color, but of course you could pick any color that's going to complement your skin tone. And like I said, these are really good for mixing together. So say, you wanted to do, I still had a little bit of pink on there. I'll put a little bit more on just to give you an idea of how you can change the colors up. If you wanted to do a little bit of the, let me see the name of these. Sorry, still getting the names down. The blushing pink. And I'm going to add a little bit of the dewy peach along with it. Don't want to squeeze it too hard. And as you see, those are really pretty colors together, which would also make a really nice lipstick, or you could put these on your cheeks. So I'm just going to swirl these around, and you can see how it makes another lovely color that you can use on your cheeks or lips or even eye area. So there's lots of possibilities with matching these around. Definitely something that you want to give a try too. So you can also be sure that you need to clean your brushes after doing this. So make sure you take our spritz and clean each one of the brushes after you try these. And then you can take some of our micellar water and just a little cleaning pad, shake it up a little bit. This stuff is so amazing. I love it. I always have it on hand. I'm actually running out of mine, as you can see. I have a little bit left, and we have the marks on the side so you can see through it real easy and see how much you have left. So you just squirt a little bit on there, and this will easily take it off of your hands. Actually pretty much in one swipe and it's gone, and it will do the same for your face as well. So once again, there are all the color swatches. And there are so many fun and versatile things that you can do with these. I absolutely love them. So many great benefits in them. They're nice and moisturizing for your face, and they're super fun to create a lot of different colors. So one product goes a long way with a lot of different looks and things you can do. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click like and subscribe. I'd love to have you come back and follow me for more. And I hope you all have a really wonderful weekend, and I will see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.